T20 International New Zealand leading the series 2-0. Great TV company. It is a glorious, perfect evening for cricket here in Auckland. Katie Martin, Grant Elliott, part of our commentary team. Your thoughts on tonight, Katie?
Well, firstly, Pakistan have won the toss, so they're relieved of that. They're going to have a bowl first, and they'll want to be able to make the most of the new ball. It'll swing, it'll do something out of this wicket, and they'll put pressure on the New Zealand hitters.
Seifert underway. Bit of a friendly one to get started as well. Nice. Oh, yes! How about that?
What a way to break the drought. Just talking about the fact he hadn't been in the wickets as of late. And sometimes it takes something a little bit special from one of your teammates. And this time it's one of the fast bowling cartel. It's Harris Ralph. And Finn Allen walks on.
He hoiks into the onside over long on. One bounce for four to get started.
It's just...
That is a spinner, and that is dealt with so well. What a shot that is. That is something special from Seifert. That's going to improve his mood. That is really going to improve his mood. Not. 21 for. Freedy gets it wrong, doesn't swing it, and Chapman picks him off. A little bit of glove over the top it goes. You see that so often here at Eden Park. There's not much he can do.
Well, they look sharp.
Too short, way too short, and Chapman was onto that in a flash. Bang, oh, that's good. That is so very good. That was not a bad delivery, and it has been dealt with. 42 for one. It's been lined up. It's gone really high, and taken comfortably. The skipper calls, the skipper catches it, and he's made a desperate breakthrough. Oh, no. Oh, no.
That was Freddie's go back for Mitchell. And he makes the most of it. And he clubs that through mid-wicket for four. It's almost like short pitch delivery. He stays full for this one, and it's driven. That is right in the slot for Mark Chapman. Finally deep as well. There's a single there to mid-wicket. He just bumps it down. It's been quite a... And that is swept away straight to the fielder, just the one. And he said, can you please say hello? McCaw's an honorary wing commander, isn't he?
That was good fun. Wing 363, big shout out to the...
For all day that. It is so hard to protect the boundary in that part of Eden Park.
To just deliver the next one.
No, it's been whipped away again as he found the gap here. Oh my goodness. Well, he slid right on by. There he goes. That's the dazzler. He loves that shot. He steps, he hits. And really does he miss out.
Ball is under pressure.
Chapman goes after it. Has he got enough? Yes, he has. Flat six into the beer garden of Eden.
Left arm off.
Oh, that's gone. That's gone. Sometimes it just feels a little too simple at Eden Park, and just when you think you're going to be tonked to all corners, you make a breakthrough in an truly aggressive player. And a chance here to bat some serious. Clipped away off the toes. And that's another one to the boundary for Mark Chapman. He moves to 65. It's 105 for 3.
Chipped away. Run out opportunity. Oh, that's missed everything. Freebies. 4 of them. That one's not jam. Oh, it's a clear plan. Hang back on that back foot and see how far you can hit it into the stand. And at the moment, that's gone high. Is it long enough? Yes, it is. The fielder just watches it alongside security. Short again. He has got so much power on that. It's burst through the field, his hands. Oh, back-to-back boundary. He said it was a good option before. Maybe not so much. Oh, crunched. Well, you can hear the effort in the stump, Mike. He has absolutely climbed into that one.
I think that's gone all the way. It's hit the advertising. I'm going to tell where that's close. It's given. Just the angle in. I think Jimmy... Oh, that is a glorious shot. Just gave himself some room. Knew the ball was likely to be a slower delivery down this 90s. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh. Katie off this over. Another opportunity, but it's so flat and fast. It's gone all the way for a 6. 2 overs in the power play. Oh, it's gone high. Harris Ralph comes in. He steps in. He looks right back over his head. What a way to start the over. Whether it's straight. Just like that. Once again, the short delivery, sat in the lengths he needs. Yeah. That's better, that's the length. Pitched it up and said, bring the stumps into play. Mitchell looking to hit. Yeah. Karam delivery, straight back in. Skid off, maybe a little bit of extra assistance from the inside.
That's unlucky, that's really unlucky from Shadab. Thick outside edge, no chance. What a shot that is from Isodi. He's good enough that if you dish up a half... Very solidly. Down to mid-off, and that is awful. Heaved in the onside, heaved in a gap. Longest boundary here tonight, but it was hit well enough. Slow ball got him. Lovely piece of bowling. Took the pace off it, and it was just enough to deceive Bracewell. That little edge. Yes, it was. Up goes the finger. The Pakistanis knew it. Ralph knew it. But out. And he does. They actually hit it for 4 off the bottom edge. Like that. Just like that. You just need to hit it a bit better, though. Totally cloth. Miss.
It's likely to be a little bit more swingers. Lights, full lights take effect. Just in his 12 games, the wicketkeeper, good strike.
That's what they want to see. That's what they're after. And that was worth seeing. That was... Now something a little different. It's brilliant. Well, this is what they're after. They want a fast. Sliced away, but with some sort of pace along the turf as well. That's nice. There's no protection back there. Picked it up, used the pace, placed it well. Oh, edged that. No chance. Absolutely no chance to stop that. As the extra pace says. Oh, that is good. It's really good. That is dismissed. Clobbered through the offside. No timing at all. And well, a bit better timing than I thought. That's better. That's flat batted. A tennis shot over count corner. He's underway now, Nawaz. Bang! That's a beaut, that. It is a beaut. Over mid-off. I thought it was the sort of ball you would pull, but that's not Nawaz's style.
Well, remembering too that they've come to New Zealand since Rizwan and Babar. That's the top edge. This is going to be the first wicket. Hay takes the catch. Well, he's got this, and he's got all of it. And that is the first 6 off the bowling of Sodhi, and it's... Just hangs it out a bit wider, and it beats the fielder at backward point. Cross-seam delivery again, and that one is flown off the outside edge and rolls to the boundary for 4. That's the issue. Edge gone. 4 more. Oh, that's straight. And that has been pumped. 50 up for Nawaz. It comes out of the innings from a New Zealand point of view. That's nicely turned off the hip. That's going to be 4. That is a tough spot to defend.
Yeah, well, that's the downside of pace.
Short, hoisted, 6. That is just what you get. Well, he's trying to muscle this past, and he does just that. Mitchell, he was straight enough, at least he thought so. Thought he had it under control, and it skips away.
Oh, it's too short. That's too short. Good luck stopping that. The minute it got past short fine leg, it was always going for 4. Is Jamieson picked up on the onside? That is quite splendid. Just 4. Salmon's got a touch of class. Oh, that's clever. He's had to reach for it. He's had to reach for it. He's having his day here. He really is, Nawaz. One more to go. And to left his hand. And the next hand it found was someone in the crowd. They can just turn it on. A little bit of luck this time. It's all go. Out on the onside. He loves that pickup shot, doesn't he? And he'll pick up 6 more for it. Short, well watched. Wasn't quite there. How's he had that before? Has he done that? This could be 4-2. It's a chase out there. It's down in the pocket. No chance again. Brilliant place. And again, same place. Same result. Oh, that's 4. That's a good 4. Just wrong line. Carved away on the offside. All the way for 6. It's just the bat speed and some... Yeah, have 6 more. You beauty, Nawaz. Playing.
Turns around the corner. Has he got it in the gap? You bet he has. There's 100. A maiden T20 century. Hassan Nawaz. That's going to do it. That's going to do it. That is one of the greatest chases you could hope to see. Hassan